the clients, the other day someone asked, Shubham asked, right? Like, what is the why the client number is different and all. See, a client is an SAP client is independent business entity within the SAP system. Like, what do you say? Like, there's SAP systems there on within the SAP system that could be multiple clients, and each client is an individual business entity. Um, but usually for a production system, there will be only one client. But for test systems, there would be multiple clients. It's not that production systems should have only one client. There also we can create other multiple clients, but as per business requirement, there will be only a necessity for one client uh, in a production system. Okay, I'll tell you. See, when we install a SAP system, by default, two clients will be created. Yep.
Prasanna, I have a question.
Yes.
Yeah, I have a question. That till when will going to do hands-on part?
Till when means?
Uh, Means when will we doing the hands-on part? Like
That's the thing.
along
Once
with
you get a
you
lab,
will be doing.
yeah, I think they're waiting for a laptops, right? Once you have the laptops, I think you can, you need, at least you need
Yes, I
we.
am also thinking about the same because if we're not getting the laptop, then how will going to do this? Because this part, I think theoretically it is the concepts are clear, but I think when we'll doing along with you that will be much easier for us to understand everything.
Yeah, that's correct. Do you have everyone have a personal laptop?
Hope you understand.
Yeah, I understood. Like, is everyone having a personal laptop?
Evan.
Sorry.
Yes, 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 yes. I
Oh,
mean,
okay, then maybe I'll speak with Amul if we are get try. Uh, if it's going to take
yeah,
long time.
yeah, yeah. Otherwise, they can initiate the laptops as sooner as possible.
Yeah, I'll speak with Amol. I'll ask him when Coforge will be providing laptops. But the problem is, even I got a Coforge laptop, but I'm not using it because I'm not able to connect to any of the VPN using this Coforge laptop because there is some,
Okay.
it's blocking. There is some firewall is blocking those VPN connections. But so even though I have a Coforge laptop, I'm not using it. The laptop I'm using is different one. So
Okay. Okay.
that problem is also there. But since you have a personal laptops, I'll ask if you could get some VPN connection, something for coaches of VPN connection and um, access the SAP systems. Problem is that VPN connection also we are facing limitation number of parallel connections. So if it's only 10 connections parallelly used, but the team is not finding it enough. But if we use three are logging in parallel, that would be like additional three connections used by you. I'll discuss with Amul. So let's see if we can give you one connection and you can work in a screen sharing session kind of environment, something like that. I'll speak with today with Amul and I'll update you today at 3 o'clock. I'll try to get. I thought I can at least um, share screen in my Coforge laptop while I work in my this laptop, so that you can do some hands on. But the problem is in Coforge laptop also you're not able to connect to the VPN using Coforge laptops. So I'll try to have some already. But do you all three have or at least one have a personal laptop with good configuration?
Yeah, we have the laptops.
Okay, maybe I think I'll speak with Amla and see if we could get a VPN created, at least one VPN ID, so that any one of you can connect and that is by through screen sharing you three can work. do some hands-on. I'll speak with him and do get something ready by today. I'll update you in 3 o'clock call.
Okay.
Okay. I think when we install SAP system, by default we'd be getting this 00000 and 001 client. By default, this should be there, and there will be one another client 066, but we don't be we never log into that client. It's called SAP Early Watch client. But these clients, these two clients, we'll be using as a reference client. So what we do is, whenever you install a new SAP system, once after installing it, we have to create a new client. So what we will do is, give me 1 minute, let me just. Just copying the password. Okay, by default, only 000 and 001 client will be there. You can see the clients available in this system using T code SEC4. This is a T code where you can see the different clients available. So we have like 000 and
your screen is not okay. Yeah, now it is visible.
yeah. So by default 000 client. So what we'll do is, when we install new system, this 200 client will not be there by default. So what we will be doing is, we'll be copying this 000 is something called it's called a DD client. So we'll copy that client and create a new client. New client is something called a business standalone business unit. So it has the, so if something I'm logging into 200 client in a production system, so all my entities, my company codes, all details will be there in this client. When you see a non-prod system, you could, or a development system, for instance, there would be multiple clients. The reason is, this is a development system. Give me 1 minute, just. Okay, we see here, here in development system, you can see like multiple clients will be there. We have created multiple clients because like there will be one client where all development happens, and in another client there will be like a unit test will be happening in a different client, and like user acceptance testings will be happening in a different client. So these kind of so since we have multiple clients in the same system, the testing can happen without individually. Like in development client, there will not be any testing allowed. Okay. but in a testing, so if they want to do some testing, it has to be done in the testing client, or if user acceptance testing or some other testing will be done on a different client. And in a C production system, there will be usually for production systems there will be only one client. Because that's how in production we will not be doing any other testing or something. So usually only there will be one client. If you see when you double click on this, there is something you see. This is what how this client is defined. Here we can just choose the role, like whether this is a production client or a test, or we are doing some customization changes, something like that. We define it here. Okay, and there is something called if you see here, I'll tell you. See, when you take a system landscape, if I take an ECC system, there will be minimum. Usually, there will be one development system. There will be a quality system, and there will be a production system. Because the reason is usually there will at least there will be three. Some clients even have like 4 or 5 systems in a landscape. If you take one, just the ECC system or S4 system. Just a minute. Just a minute, I'll be back.